Today I will show you how to make a passport size photograph. Full editing I will show you. Before that, please subscribe my channel Study to Foodie. So let's start. Go to the file, take one photo from the open, take one picture, whatever you want, but it should be JPG format. After that, take a crop tool. It is there only. What you need to do, you can crop from the down also, or else you can make 4 multiply 3 also. That also you can do. So right now I am doing like this. This much I need to take. After that, do select. After that, what you need to do, take a quick selection tool. After that, press Alt, no, press Shift. Sorry, press Shift from your keyboard. After that, select the areas where you need to make the color background white. Now look here, it is coming in my face. So I need to make minus. So minus, how it is coming? Because of the alt keyboard, alt key from your keyboard. So click on the alt. After that, see, it will come as minus. After that, again you press plus this much, it will come. Now its selection is proper. Now right click on it and go to the feather. We get the feather radius. Okay. After that, go to this one, background color, set the background color, make it white. Okay. So your background color will change, and press delete button from your keyboard. Delete. Now they will give you background colors like field effect. So it is background color. Select this one, background color you have to select. Okay. Now the background will be white. Now what you need to do, go to the file and create new, okay, where I will write photo, passport photo, passport photo. Okay. After that, take as it is, height it will take like 40 or 600, this much you can take. After that, make it okay to its camera. Now what you need to do, in the image you have to rotate that in 90 cW to its rotated. Okay. After that, what you need to do, go to here. After that, crop, it is there only crop. So what you need to do, no need to do Control Z, you can do if you want. You can keep it as it is, how much you want you can keep it. This much I want, you can do it. After that, what you need to do, select all. But you, before selecting all, you need to change the photo size. So you have to go to the image first of all. You have to select the right click. After that, go to the image. You will get the image size. After going to the image size, I will select 4 multiply 6 or 4 whatever, 3.5 and 4.5. You can change it like this, or 3.4, 4.3. Now pixel will also change along with the document size. So after that, make it okay. The photograph is changed. Now what you need to do, Control A. Control A means it will select. After that, Control C you will do. After that, go to the image. Go to the not image. Go to this one, new layer. Okay. After that, what you need to do, Control. First of all, you select this one. Move to after Control V. When I have done Control V, your this one is seated. Now what you have to do, go to the edit button, go to stroke. You need to create a border, photo border. So like this you need to create. Okay, the watercolor border is, background is black. You can change also the photo color background. then you have to go to color. After that you can select. After that it can be changed. So I am doing with black to keep it as it is. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to copy and paste it here. How many it can be put it in the one canvas or one background. Okay. Now what you need to do, alt plus shift you need to press, alt plus shift you need to press. After that from the keyboard you need to keep it as it is, like how I have to. Alt plus F, alt plus shift you need to press. After that drag this side. Okay. Now same thing, alt plus F, alt plus shift. After that drag down. Again same process, alt plus shift you have to press and drag this side, this side. Okay. Keep it on. Now this is how you can make your passport size photos, and after that what you need to do, save as. After that write passport photo, make change the from the format JPG format. After that save. Now it will be saved. You can see 6 photos also, same pattern. Okay, you can see many things. You can see here. Just I am opening this one. Now your photograph will come in front of you. Okay, this is how. After that you can do print out whatever you want. Okay, thank you.